provision of Section 74 of the Contract Act deals only with the rights to receive from the party who has broken a contract a reasonable compensation, and in absence of any contract, the mere fact that the appellant defendant did not make payment of the amount within the time limit fixed by the suitor would not entitle him to attract the provisions of penal clause and claim the penalty full stop. A penalty to claim double amount in fact is not enforceable at law because the document Exhibit P1 and Exhibit D1 give a definite impression that these arrangements were made simply to recover the amount and nothing else outstanding against the appellant full stop. A cursory glance over the mortgage deed shows that though it was executed in lieu of rupees 200,000, but the same was not got registered despite the fact that the same was compulsorily registerable in terms of Section 17 of the Registration Act 1908 full stop. New paragraph. In so far as the case in hand is concerned, without registration of the mortgage deed, inter se rights and duties of the parties could not be enforced until and unless the mortgagee provided the requisite fee which was payable against registration of said document along with any penalty full stop. Though the safer course for the learned trial court was to impound the mortgage deed and refuse to proceed further until the payment of requisite fee along with penalty, but neither the trial court nor the appellate court attended to the said important aspect of the matter. Thus, the decisions rendered by them do not qualify the test set for a judicial decision full stop. While assisting the court, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent mortgagee put much emphasis on the fact that since the petitioner mortgager failed to repay the amount full stop. New paragraph. Even during pendency of proceedings before the Deputy District Officer Revenue Toba Tek Singh in the application filed by her as well as during proceedings before the learned trial court, no interference is called for in these proceedings full stop. For what has been noted above, I see no hesitation to hold that the suit filed by the respondent mortgagee for specific performance on the basis of penal clause in the mortgage deed was not maintainable full stop. Consequently, this revision petition is accepted and impugned judgments and decrees rendered by both the courts below are set aside full stop. Resultantly, the suit filed by the respondent mortgagee shall stand dismissed full stop. No order has to costs before parting with this judgment. It is observed that dismissal of suit of respondent mortgagee would not debar him to file legal proceedings before the appropriate forum under the relevant provisions of law full stop.